It's not.
This is awesome.
Hey!
Yes! We did it! Okay, so my sister called, so I had to start the video over. But Luke has successfully made the chalice thing where it pours from this glass into this glass, into this glass, into this glass. Yes! We are farmers. Ba ba da ba bum bum bum. Intel.
I don't know that one.
You don't know. Luke, do you want to put on the crown? Kind of. Put the crown on. I don't care if it's wet. Put the crown. How's that look?
If I balance this, you owe me $10.
The audience owes you $10.
Oh, darn.
What up?
What up? Like, what up, son?
Son. Well, there you go. You have it. Now you have it, people. We're amazing. So, say bye.